everybody, welcome back to the channel. Been a minute since we've been able to be in the garden, so we got to figure out what our next move is. I see tomatoes just loaded, gonna be picked. Squash, cucumbers, the China jade, and this sweet corn. This sweet corn, we're gonna deal with it first thing. So we're gonna pick on that sweet corn and see how much we can get. This was a little test where we planted 3 rows in an 8-foot bed just to see will it grow and how much we can get. So we're gonna do that first today. All right, we ended up picking 2 dozen off of it, and I know we have picked probably another dozen or so off of it, because today's July the 7th. We did have some on the 4th, and it did fairly well considering, no bigger than what it is. But this is peaches and cream. You can see how it made a real pretty ear. We did have a few small ears, but if you look at it, it still made real good. Now, one thing I will tell you, some of the stalks were big like they should be, and some were real thin. The ones that were thin, just the weight of the ear it put on and the wind come through, it just wouldn't hold itself up. So I think corn's supposed to be around 6 inches apart, and that's about what we had, 3 rows in an 8-foot bed. So I don't know why some of it was smaller stalks than the others, but it did exactly what we wanted it to do. We didn't need to put up a lot of sweet corn this year because we got it from the bigger patches. A friend of ours in Madison grows it in big, he's got several acres, so we get pretty much all we want. But nothing like good fresh sweet corn coming out of the garden. So that's why we grew it. So you look at it this way. If you had a raised bed, you could grow fresh sweet corn, in your backyard or and you can have it so whenever you eat. So that's going to do it for this video on the sweet corn. So you can grow you some to eat in the backyard if you want to. Hey, if you like what you see, and like and subscribe to the channel and help us make it grow. See you next time.